In this video, we are going to describe how to fit a football helmet.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do when deciding what size helmet to use for an athlete is you're going to measure the circumference of their head. You're going to use the centimeters. And then you're going to use that measurement to decide whether they're going to need a small, medium, large, or extra large helmet.
Once you have the appropriate size of the helmet according to the athlete's circumference of the head, you're going to observe for any rust, cracks, or missing pieces of the helmet, and that it has the National Operating Committee on Standards for Athletic Equipment sticker.
Before putting on the helmet, you want to wet down the athlete's hair with water to simulate sweat so that the long hair can get patted down. Zach's hair is short enough, it'll be okay. So when the athlete puts on the helmet, you want to have them secure the chin strap. So first thing you want to look at is right here in the front. The top of the helmet needs to be an inch above the eyebrows. So this helmet is just a little bit too big. Next, you want the chin strap to fit securely on the chin. It should be comfortable but also tight to keep the helmet on. It can be adjusted here on the sides with straps, and it snaps in at the top and bottom on both sides, and they can both be adjusted. Also, on the side here, for fitting, you want this ear hole in the helmet to match up with the external auditory meatus. So here, it's a little bit forward. His ear's a little bit forward on the helmet. Again, it's a little too big. Lastly, there's cheek pads in here. You should be able to only fit a credit card in here, and it should be able to stick, but you don't want to be able to put your fingers in here like I can. So again, this helmet is a little too big. Also in the back, the helmet needs to cover the occiput bone, which this one covers it very well.
Face masks vary depending on position. However, they are mandatory for a football helmet. The price ranges can range between $39.99 to almost $200.
Next, you want to check the face mask, and the face mask can vary depending on the position or the athlete's preference. And what you want to do to make sure it fits is you put 3 fingers between the tip of the nose and the face mask. In this one, I can fit 4 fingers, so it's going to be a little too big. And you want to make sure that the face mask fits in order to ensure that the player can see.
Initially, when test fitting a helmet, you're going to start with the crown check, looking for even distribution of pressure. So what you're going to do is you're just going to press down on the helmet, and you're looking for a recoil. Next, you're going to do the lateral and vertical movements. So you're going to grab the face mask, you're going to rotate side to side and up and down. The head should move with the face mask when you're going. The helmet shouldn't rotate like this. It's too big.
A visor is a clear shield that's attached to the helmet to cover the eye area. It is optional depending on if the athlete would like it to be attached to the helmet. It can prevent turf beads or rain in the eyes, and some of them can be tinted, like sunglasses can be. The price can range between $30 to $50. Injury prevention for a football helmet is not 100%, however, it can help prevent concussions, skull fractures, contusions, facial fractures such as a blowout fracture, maxillary fracture, mandible, zygomatic, and nasal fracture. If you do have a visor attached to your helmet, it can help prevent any type of eye injury such as a corneal abrasion, detached retina, hyphema, anything like that.
He probably shouldn't have it. So what you're going to do is you're going to press down. Operating Committee on Standards of